Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this really pretty lampshade. Okay, this is so simple, like literally all you need is 4 things and that is it. I was going doing 3 DIYs in this video, but when I got that one finished I started doing the other one and it just wasn't working out the way I wanted it to work out. I didn't want to put up anything that I wasn't proud of or wanted to show you guys, so I decided to put off on doing the three DIYs in the one video, and I'm going to put this one up this week and then a couple of weeks I'll put out the other 2 and I'll do it like that. So don't worry, you'll still get to see them, but that's what happened yesterday. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so for this DIY you're going to need hoops, you're going to need some sort of fabric trimming. I use silk feathers. You're also going to need a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and then you're also going to need string cutter of your choice and a scissors. Okay, so first of all attach your hoops using the string, leaving whatever distance is necessary for your chosen tassel. Okay, and the final step then is hot gluing your tassel to your hoops, and that you have finished. Okay guys, so that's DIY. I really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this. Are you going to try to do it yourself? What is your thoughts on this DIY? Do you think it looks tacky? Do you think it looks pretty? What's your opinions? And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit the little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!